In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive error 0x8007017c. The cloud operation is invalid in Windows 11, 5 minutes. This error usually appears when OneDrive gets stuck trying to sync a file, and a quick reset and reconnect almost always clears it. We'll walk through that together, keeping everything safe on your PC. First, look for the OneDrive cloud icon on your taskbar near the clock. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons, and it should be there. Click the cloud, then choose the gear icon or the settings option to open the menu. From that menu, open settings so we can adjust the app directly. Inside settings, go to the account tab. Here, select unlink this PC. When prompted, confirm by clicking unlink this PC again. Don't worry, unlinking does not delete your local files. It simply disconnects the sync relationship so we can reconnect cleanly. Your OneDrive folder remains on your computer and you can reattach it in a moment. Next, open the run dialog from your keyboard as indicated and we'll issue a reset command. In the run box, type exactly %local app data %/Microsoft shell OneDrive plus OneDrive XE/reset and press enter. That command refreshes OneDrive's local cache and reinitializes the sync engine. After you press enter, the icon may disappear briefly. Give it a minute to complete the reset. If OneDrive doesn't restart by itself after the reset, open run again and enter %local app data Microsoft/OneDrive/OneDrive.exe. This simply launches the app so it can reconnect. When OneDrive opens, you may see a sign-in prompt and a brief setup. That's normal after unlinking. Keep your default folder location unless you intentionally changed it before so it can match your existing files without duplicating anything. Once the cloud icon is back, right-click it, choose Pause Syncing, wait a few seconds, and then select Resume Syncing. This quick toggle forces OneDrive to refresh connections and recheck any pending uploads or downloads. Give it a minute to settle, then try the file or folder that previously showed the 0x8007017c message. If the error is gone, you're all set. If you're still seeing issues, let the sync run to completion, ensure you have a stable internet connection, and verify you have enough local disk space for any files you're pulling down. Most cases are resolved by the unlink and reset you just performed. That's it. Your OneDrive should now be syncing properly without the cloud operation invalid error. Thanks for watching and take care.